Why your dreams die when you speak them. The power of silence. There was once a young man who believed that speaking his dreams made them real. Every morning, he would wake with a new plan burning inside his chest. He would tell his friends, his family, even strangers, what he was about to do. I'm starting a business. I'm changing my life. I will become someone important. People nodded, some applauded, some admired him. And for a moment, that attention felt like success. But weeks passed, then months. Nothing changed. The plans stayed words. The dreams stayed ideas. And slowly the fire inside him grew weaker. One evening, tired of his own promises, the young man went to sit under an old tree at the edge of the village. An elderly man was already there, calm and silent, watching the sunset. The young man spoke first. I don't understand, he said. I have so many dreams. I talk about them. I believe in them, but they always die. The elder listened without interrupting. After a long silence, he reached into his pocket and took out 2 seeds. He placed one seed in the young man's open hand. This seed, he said softly, was shown to everyone, spoken about, praised. Then he held up the second seed. This one was planted quietly. No one knew it existed. The elder stood up and pointed toward the ground nearby. 2 small plants were growing there. One was weak, dry, barely alive. The other was strong, rooted, reaching toward the sky. The first seed, the elder said, spent its energy proving it would grow. The second spent its energy growing. Silence sinks in. The young man felt something shift inside him. The elder continued, his voice calm and steady. When you speak your dreams too early, your mind mistakes words for progress. The praise replaces discipline. The attention replaces effort. You feel rewarded before the work is done. The young man lowered his head. So what should I do? He whispered. The elder smiled gently. Protect your dreams, he said. Let them grow in silence. Water them with work. Strengthen them with patience. Not everyone needs to know what you're building. The world will see it when it's finished. That night, the young man went home without announcing anything. No posts, no promises, no explanations, only quiet action. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. And this time, something grew. Not because he spoke less, but because he finally listened to silence.